When you are painting a swimming pool, it's very important that all the preparation steps are taken. Check all the areas for repair and use the epoxy filler that we sell here. Washing and acid etching are both very important steps during preparation. Follow the instructions for your pool type and make sure you ask us how.
It's really important that the surface is angle grinded or sanded well to provide a good etch.
Some areas will require sealing with Luxapool Epoxy Primer Sealer. Examples are bare areas of the concrete and some areas of marblesheen. Applying the paint is the final step and the fun part. Make sure you have 3 to 4 days of dry weather before you begin. Use of the tech cover is recommended for when you're applying the epoxy swimming pool paint. Once the painting is finished, make sure you leave it 7 to 14 days before putting the water in the pool, and then you can use it.
The team here at Crockers are specialised in swimming pool paints, so if you would like to do it yourself, we will guide you through the process. If you would like us to recommend a tradesman to do it for you, we have those too. So please call in and see us at 206 Box Road, Miranda, or give us a call on 9525 7489.